How to succeed as a freelancer, how to succeed in freelancing business. Now, I believe you must have heard a lot of people telling you that you should join Upwork or you should join Fiverr, and if you join Fiverr, you're going to make money in dollars. If you set up your gig, whether you're a graphic designer, a web designer, you can make money on Fiverr and any other freelancing platform. I know you must have heard so many things about all of those things. That is a very good advice. But let me give you something that you need to consider, because you need to get some understanding before you go up to the freelancing platform and sign up. Now listen, signing up on Upwork or Fiverr or any other freelancing platform is not a guarantee that you will succeed in freelancing. Did you hear that? Let me say it again. Signing up on Upwork or Fiverr or any other freelancing platform is not a guarantee that you will succeed in freelancing. Here's why. Pay attention. Let me give you why, because I'm talking from the experience point of view. I've done this before, so I know what works and what doesn't work. So if you pay attention to what I'm telling you right now, it will help you to avoid some of the mistakes that I made when I started out in freelancing. Okay? Now, when they tell you to go to Upwork, they tell you to go to Fiverr, they tell you about all these freelancing platforms, they tell you to go and sign up, and then you rush to go and sign up. Signing up on the platform just gets you up on the platform. But the issue there is, when you sign up, you're going to struggle. Yeah, you're going to struggle with finding clients. That's one of the biggest challenges on some of these freelancing platforms, especially the ones that are well known, like Fiverr, like Upwork. These are very, very good platforms. But if you're a starter, if you're a beginner and you don't know your right from your left, you will go and sign up on this platform and you will wait, expecting that somebody will find you. Now, here's the problem. There are millions of people just like you. Millions of people just like you, starters like you, on the platform that are even more better than you when it comes to the skill. For instance, if you're a web designer, there are some people that are very good with web design and they are up on the platform competing to have the same opportunity that you also is looking for. Are you seeing this now? Are you seeing a picture here? So it's like you are struggling against millions of people, trying to win the heart of a client. So this is actually a major problem for somebody who doesn't really know much about signing up on Fiverr, signing up on freelancing platforms, who doesn't know his left from his right. And this was a major problem I faced when I started with freelancing. I just heard about it, I joined, I signed up, and I waited for a very long time for somebody to find me. Finally, when somebody found me, it was a problem to convince this person to make an order. Because one, I'm a Nigerian and this person is from New York. Are you getting now? So they have this kind of understanding about Africans. They feel like, okay, should we trust this person? So it was a bit of a very difficult situation for us. But at the end of the day, I successfully, convinced the person, and we gave our best. All right. And, we delivered as we promised. You understand? I was doing illustration as a freelancer, as a freelance person. Okay. I was doing illustrations for children's storybooks. And that was how I was able to make some of my, my first dollars from the internet. All right. This is very possible. But the thing is, it's not that when you join these platforms, it's not that you won't make money, but it might take you a very long time for you to actually close that deal. Why? Because you are competing against many people. So what is now the best option? If your aim is to succeed in freelancing business, how do you go about it? How do you succeed as a freelancer? Pay attention to what I'm about to tell you now. the best way to succeed in freelancing is to first get mentorship. Mentorship is very important. That's what 99% of beginners don't know. I'm giving you that information right now. So get mentorship. That's the first thing you should do. This was the same mistake I made when I started. I didn't have anybody to tell me do it like this or do it like that. Are you getting now? So all I was doing was just trial and error, trying to figure out what is the best thing to do. Do you understand? So you will avoid the kind of mistake I made if you follow what I'm telling you right now. What you can do to get the best out of freelancing, to succeed in freelancing business, you need to get mentorship. And how do you go about it? Where do you find someone that will mentor you very well? Now, here's the most important part of this video. I have a training, all right? I have a training from one of my mentors who has done a video that explains everything you need to know when it comes to freelancing. This is a very legit video, all right? Easy to understand, straight to the point, step-by-step guide with a community. You understand? So if you are interested in learning how this works, if you're interested in doing it, this is not for everybody, okay? It's not for everybody, because we know definitely that there are some people who will just expect that, okay, I'll get into the program and then I'm supposed to see success, I'm supposed to succeed immediately. No, it doesn't work like that. You have to learn how it works. You have to be tutored, you have to be mentored, and then you start seeing results. Okay, so if you are interested in that program, if you are interested in that training, this is not for people who don't have money to invest. This is not for people who are not interested in investing to learn. Because when you make a commitment to learn, you are investing in yourself, you are investing in your brain. So that's the first thing you should know. Okay, so if you're really serious and you're ready to learn how this works, I will drop a link in the comment section. I'll drop a link in the description. Go to the description and check for that link, and make sure to also check my pinned post. I'll pin a post to the comment section. Do well to check all of these things. Okay, that is where I'm going to stop for this video. My name is Awajiimamisioto. On this channel, I teach you how to do stuffs online. I show you things that you can do that can help you make money for yourself. All right, so kindly like this video. If you got value from this, kindly like this video, kindly subscribe, and make sure you turn on the notification bell, because I will be posting more content about make money online on this channel. If you got value from this, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.